far-infrared heaters to generate heat. Top, bottom, left and right side are installed with heating tubes, can be heated at the same time. Suitable for wire harness, heat shrink tubing, heat shrink film packaging, circuit boards, inductive coils, heat shrinking or baking of products with relatively small dimensions such as copper rods, hardware fittings, etc. Conveyor belt using high-temperature Teflon mesh belt. Temperature resistance 0 to 350 degrees. Fast and efficient baking. Fitted with a high-speed centrifugal fan, so that the products to be heat shrunk and baked can be subjected to heat all around at the same time. When heating, the fan can stir the heat evenly, so that the entire box to maintain a constant temperature. No deformation after heat shrinkage and baking. No discoloration, stable quality.